Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Klaiyi Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below in the description area, but I will be styling this unit straight out of the box. This is what their packaging looks like, and it comes in a satin bag, and you get this box. This little bag, they did include some extra goodies, which included some clips. They also included 2 combs and also 2 different types of brushes, loving the blue color, and they also included some claw clips to clip the hair back on the side while you are styling the hair. So included a HD wig cap and an elastic band with the company's logo on it. That I will be showcasing today is their 7x5 by Knots Yaki straight wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. This is a natural color, and this is 150% in density. There are no combs on the side, but there is an area for your removable elastic band, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Unit comes with your pre-cut lace. It also comes with your pre-plucked hairline and your pre-bleached knots. I went ahead and added my removable elastic band just for some extra security because this is an average cap size. Now, once I put this unit on, I could already tell I am going to have to go in and add some tint spray because the very front of that is a little bit too light for my liking. Now, as far as the parting space goes, they give you a good amount of parting space. I like how open it is. You can keep this as a middle part, or you can switch it to a side part. Going in with my Tailored Crowns almond tint spray. I just picked up another bottle because your girl ran out, and these bottles are definitely a little bit bigger. I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below in case you guys are interested because I love the way that this does tint the lace. Now, me personally, I think I should have went a little bit heavier, and you guys will see once I put it on. I'm just blow drying it down, and it does dry down really quickly. So you're not gonna have any issues with staining or anything. It's not really messy, but this is what it looks like when I put it on. You can kind of see how it's starting to blend in, but I just feel like I could have went in just a little bit more. Down a little bit more of that lace to my liking, and then I'm going to add a bobby pin on each side for extra security. Even though this is a medium cap size, with me adding that elastic band, I feel like it's just not too big. It fits on my head fine. And now I'm going to go in with this styling foam that I also picked up from Tailored Crowns. I just wanted to try it out. You guys know that I love my olive oil mousse, but hey, it's okay to try different things. So I'm just placing that at the front of the hairline because it is going to be a glueless install. And then I am just going to tie the elastic band around the front and just let everything dry down. And I'm going to go off of camera and do my makeup. Before I remove my elastic band, I do want to elongate this parting space, and I'm not going to try to put it back too far because I don't want to have to worry about covering up any tracks. I'm going to place a little bit of wax at the top because I noticed some flyaways, and I want this to be really nice and flat because it is going to be a sleek look. And you can kind of tell how flat it got on that one side because the density is not super heavy throughout the parting space. So you shouldn't have any issues if you wanted to switch the parting space around. Hair is super soft, so it didn't take me any time to straighten this hair out. It says that you can flat iron this unit up to 450 degrees, and not much heat is needed because it is a Yaki straight texture. Just making sure to get any kind of dents out from it sitting in the bag, but it flat ironed really beautifully. Lace melted down really good into my skin. As far as that product goes, I'm gonna keep playing around with it. I do feel like it has like a little stickiness to it to kind of keep everything way down, and it does have like a stronger kind of perfume smell, but we'll talk about that at another time. Right now, I'm just going to place some powder into the parting space area and just a little bit of powder in between the hairline to kind of brighten it up a little bit. And then I am going to go in with just a little amount of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and this is going to help keep any of the frizziness and flyaways in check. Here I'm playing around with the very front of the hairline because I wasn't 100% happy with how it looked. I don't know, I feel like it just needed like a little bit something more, but I didn't want to include baby hairs because I like how it looked pre-plucked and I didn't want to take away from it. So I feel like it just needed, I don't know y'all, I'm just swooping in place and just trying to get it together. Is the final look, y'all, and very easy and simple install. Doesn't take a lot of time to get this together because everything is already pretty much done for you. Now this unit does start at 14 inches and the longest length is 26. I think that this length is cool, especially for every day, and I love the density of this because it's not doing too much, but it's still a good density. This is what the front of the hairline is looking like. And then of course, everything is glueless and also everything blended down well, but I did have to add a little bit of my tint spray just for it to blend in more into my skin. Wanted a wavy look, and I also wanted to see how well this is going to hold a wave. So I'm breaking out the wand curler. For me, Yaki straight hair looks just really pretty with waves in it. It just takes it up another notch. Now, of course, with you wearing it straight, I feel like that's more of like an everyday look, casual look. But once you add the wands in, it can give date night, it can give office. It's just very versatile. Nice the hair held that wave. So I'm gonna go off of camera and go ahead and do the rest because it is gonna take me a little bit of time. I'm using the wide part of that comb to kind of fluff through it, but I don't want to take away too much from the waviness, and I also don't want it to get super frizzy. Now, if you decide to keep it in like this tighter wave pattern, it will just start to drop over time. Of course, if you want to add some holding spray, that will definitely help to keep them in. But I like both looks. You guys have to let me know which look do you prefer, or would you just rock both of them. And this hair, it did have a little bit of shedding to it. Not much dryness. Like I said, I feel like it was very soft, and you can get some different looks with it. Now, I did decide to kind of do the tuck behind my ear, but of course with my sideburns, because I do have a pixie cut, you could see them. So what I did was just pull that hair up a little bit so you wouldn't be able to see it. But this would even look really cute in a nice ponytail. Expect a little bit of snags in the nape area, but for the most part, this one should be very low maintenance. But if you are interested in this unit, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.